Alright, first up are saddlebags. They make going around town shopping, carrying little tools, so much easier. So these are originally from clearance. They're probably about $160 to $200, brand new. You can tell that they're a little weather beaten, but when we go on longer trips, these are so handy. Mirrors. So I ditched the little ant antenna mirrors for these cooler vintage looking mirrors. Got them, they were about $60-$70 on eBay. Installing it was a little bit of an issue, but Clarence is a pro and he figured it out. Alright, another affordable mod is getting a windshield for your motorcycle. The windshield of course adds to the vintage style, but it actually does a good job of blocking some of the wind as I'm riding on the highway. Another mod that's really practical is getting a cell phone holder and charger. I use my cell phone as a GPS, as many of us do, and having the charger allows you to go, technically, for as long as your bike can go. These two are sold separately, so you gotta find the right ones that fit your cell phone size and charger cord. And finally, find yourself a friend like Clarence. I would not be able to figure out half of these modifications without his help. So there you go, 5 super affordable modifications you can do to your Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. If you like this content and found it useful, smash the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.